clothes. I asked my friends to send me pictures of clothes they wear every day. This is James. James is wearing a red t-shirt, black shorts, and red sneakers. This is Jenny. Jenny is wearing a blue dress. There are pink flowers on the dress. Here are the pink flowers on Jenny's dress. This is Will. Will is wearing a blue button-down shirt. A button-down shirt is a shirt with buttons that go from the top of the shirt all the way to the bottom of the shirt. This is a button-down shirt. Will is also wearing a red and black tie. This is a tie. Will is also wearing brown pants. This is Sansi. Sansi is wearing a white blouse. A blouse is a shirt that is nicer than a t-shirt. Sansi is also wearing blue jeans. This is Kendall. Kendall is wearing a brown jacket and a white blouse. There are different kinds of clothes: casual clothes and professional clothes. Casual clothes are clothes you wear at home or when you are with your friends. You wear them when you are relaxed. Professional clothes are nicer. You wear professional clothes to a job interview. Let's sort the clothes my friends were wearing into casual or professional. Jenny is professional. Jenny's clothes are professional because she is wearing a dress. Will looks professional because he is wearing a button-down shirt and a tie. Kendall looks professional because she is wearing a blouse and a jacket. Sansi's clothes are casual because she is wearing blue jeans. Blue jeans are casual. James is also casual because he is wearing a t-shirt and sneakers. A t-shirt is casual and sneakers are casual also. It is important to feel confident in your clothes. When you feel confident, you like the way you look. You want people to see you and hear what you have to say. Clothes can help make you feel confident.